So I have no idea where AI is heading, but this is actually insane. You can now build a full game world just by typing a sentence, and I'm not even joking. Mountains, oceans, volcanoes, all generated instantly. So basically no code, no game engine, no team of devs, just Genie 3 and your imagination. But here's the thing, this isn't some gimmick AI toy, it actually works. And game developers, yeah, they're kind of panicking. Okay, hold on, but what even is this thing? So Google just dropped Genie 3. It's an AI model that creates fully interactive, playable 2D game worlds in real time. No Unity, just your prompt and there you go, a whole game. Sounds like magic, right? But this is real. People are already testing it and it runs at 720p smooth AF. And get this, the consistency wasn't even planned, it just happened from scaling the model. AI literally leveled up by accident. But you're probably wondering, yeah, but it probably sucks at real gameplay, right? Well, not exactly. You can jump around, fly over stuff, even explore. But, and this is where things get spicy, it's not perfect yet. If you wanted to understand a simple game mission like grab the key, unlock the door, it struggles. But here's the scary part, that's today. Next year, 2 years, it might master that too. But here's where things get real. Game developers, especially indie ones, are watching this unfold like, yeah, because right now a single person using Genie 3 can do what a full team needed before. Imagine typing Cyberpunk City Runner and the game just appears. No level designers, no environment artists, no animator, just AI. And sure, studios might still want the human touch, but when budgets get tight, when deadlines are looming, you already know what's gonna happen. And it gets even deeper. Genie 3 isn't just about games, it's a world model, meaning it can simulate real environments. One user even said future robots might learn in their dreams. Like, what the heck? This tech isn't just for making fun little levels, it could power robot brains, virtual training, even real world AI that learns in simulations before doing anything IRL. Still think this is just a toy? But of course, we're not saying all game dev jobs are gone tomorrow, but the writing is on the wall. If AI can build entire worlds from a prompt, what does that mean for the future of games? Faster dev cycles, smaller teams, more creative freedom? Maybe. Or fewer jobs, more automation, and a world where AI makes the games and plays them too.